Welcome to our channel. If you want to pair your Chromecast with Google TV Remote or replace a lost remote with a new one, follow these step-by-step instructions to establish the connection. Step 1. Make sure your Chromecast with Google TV device is powered on and connected to your television. Turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input. Step 2. Insert fresh batteries into your Chromecast remote. Open the battery compartment on the back of the remote and insert 2 AAA batteries with correct polarity. Step 3. Hold the remote close to your Chromecast device, approximately 3 to 6 inches away. This proximity is important for the initial pairing process. Step 4. Press and hold the back and home buttons simultaneously on the remote for at least 3 seconds until you see a light at the bottom of the remote start flashing. Step 5. Wait for a pairing notification to appear on your TV screen. The Chromecast device will search for and detect the remote automatically when it's in pairing mode. Step 6. If the pairing is successful, you'll see a confirmation message on your TV screen. The remote should now control your Chromecast with Google TV device. Step 7. Test the remote by navigating through the Google TV interface using the directional buttons and selecting apps or content to ensure all buttons are working properly. Step 8. If pairing fails, restart your Chromecast device by unplugging it from power for 10 seconds, then repeat steps 3 through 6 to attempt pairing again. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.